Good morning. So I just woke up. Sorry, I look like a zombie. Anyway, so my wind chimes are just going off like crazy. So I thought I would go outside for a minute and take my doggies. I have 3 doggies. This is Diego. And he weighs 3 pounds, so he fits in my little pouch. So I always take him everywhere. Anyway, my wind chime's going off like crazy. And I thought it would be good idea to go take a look at my beach because the beach landscape is going to change dramatically, and that's exciting because all I've ever found on my beach is trash. And so I'm thinking that maybe I'll find some treasure if something gets unburied. Here's the little park that you can see from my house. When I'm up on my roof or looking out my window, it's got a nice bathroom and it's got picnic tables and slides and things for kids. There's swings on the other side of that big slide. And here's the baseball field that I show you guys. And that big building with the red tile roof right there is called the Comic-Con, and that means community center. And oh my goodness, I can't believe the weather right now. I mean, it's almost like a typhoon, you know, the wind is just blowing so hard. So let's keep going this way. And I'm gonna take you down to my beach. It's high tide right now. I forgot to check to see when low tide comes today, but I'm sure it was like 2 o'clock this morning, so now it's high tide. So this, in low tide, this whole side opens up and there's really neat tide pools. I should take you guys tide pooling one day. And then there's little old ladies that maintain this little garden. And all this greenery that's growing on this jetty, during typhoon season, it'll all get wiped out. And like this big thing of now paca, it gets wiped out too. And so it's just overgrown because we really didn't have many. We certainly had typhoons this past summer, but they weren't anything like the year before. The year before, like all of this got wiped out. And so, ooh, look at my beach. It's gotten a big slant. Looks like there's somebody down there meditating. That's nice. Oh, it's windy. I just realized that the wind is probably gonna make the camera sound horrible. But here's my beach. Okay, so I just spent, I don't know how much time, a couple of hours down at my beach. And my dogs are barking because they can hear me. And this is what I found. All trash targets, not one treasure target, not one. And so when I say it's trash at my beach, I'm serious. There's my little collection of cars that I've found from various beaches. And I found another one but gave it to a kid that was a Taiwanese kid that was busy watching me. So all of this trash got taken off my little beach today. And that's just crazy trash. That's so, I can't believe how irresponsible people are. And then on the way back up to my house, I stopped at the little park that's right below my house. And I dug, this one's a fresh, oh wait a minute, wait, those are mine, hang on, I dug these, can you see the difference? I dug these guys, so these are the same, these, okay, so these are 10 yen coins, so I got 5, these are 100 yen coins, they normally look like this, so pretty and shiny. Got 2 of those, and I've already taken about 470 yen out of that park, and so another 250. That's pretty good. I guess maybe it's the difference between, because those don't look like fresh drops. I mean, this is what fresh money looks like. So That's the difference between me paying attention and not, I guess. Because, well, that's not true. It's probably the first few days of me having my metal detector, and now I've been doing it every day for a month solid, all day long. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to head over to one of the resort beaches right now because I'm so disappointed in my finds today. Okay, I'm at Araha Beach, as you can see. And it's a nasty day. It's super windy. I'm getting, my legs are getting sandblasted. Okay, so I have been digging up and down this beach. It's so windy, so I haven't been turning it on. I found a 50 yen coin back there, and I have it's been a solid 8. And I'm kind of chasing it around, I guess. I guess I need a bigger scoop. Oops. See, I think I get it and it's not there. I hope you can hear me with all this wind. Okay. I feel like it's closer to me than I've been digging, maybe. Nope, still didn't get it. Solid 8, that could be a small gold ring. One can hope, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. My goodness, it's windy. I guess I should quit leaving my pen pointer in the car. It would make my job a little bit easier. Oh, maybe I got it this time. Let's see. Okay, I think it's in the scoop. Ooh, it sure is. Okay, let's pray for something good, guys. Something good in the neighborhood. I feel like it's right here. Nope, of course not. There, okay. It's in the scoop. I would just go to the water and rinse it out, but I'm afraid it's going to be something small and I don't want to lose it after I dug so. Oh no, what the heck is that? A gumball. Wait. Amusement capsule something. Amusement capsule only. Amusement capsule only. Well, there you go. It's something for a gumball machine, I guess. I'm sure my daughter will know what it is because it looks like something that you know, I can't remember, gotchas or I don't remember what those machines are called that you put your couple hundred yen in and you get a fun toy, like a really nice toy actually. And while I've got the camera on, I've got to show you guys this. Anybody that's ever had a bird that bought a cuddle bone for the bird, here's one for you. This is for a giant parrot, I guess. But this is from the cuttlefish. It's their chest bone or breastplate or whatever. And that was one big old cuttlefish. We see them all the time when we're out diving. They're so beautiful. So I don't know if a shark got him or if a fisherman caught him, or I don't know what, but it's kind of sad, that big giant breastbone of a cuttlefish. All right, I'll turn you back on when I get a good signal. Okay, I didn't make it very far, and I have a solid 13, which should be either a 100 yen coin or a 50 yen coin. One of those. Come on, 100 yen coin. Oh, we got it out. All right, I guess I just have to talk to it. Oh, okay. See anything? Oh, there it is. I know I can rinse this baby out because it isn't going through those 8mm holes in my scoop. Try not to get my shoes wet because I don't want my, they're wet, but I don't want my feet to get cold. And it looks like a trash target. Beggars can't be choosers. All right, I will turn you back on as soon as we get something good to look at. Okay, I walked a couple of steps and I'm getting a 11, 12, 8. That to me is usually maybe junk jewelry. Sometimes a bottle cap, but usually a bottle cap doesn't go that low. So now where did it go? Now it's playing hide and seek. Marco Polo, name your game. Name your game, it's playing with me. I know better than to dig signals that aren't super strong signals. At least on a cold, windy day. And I don't know why I'm saying cold, windy day. I mean, it is windy. It's not really cold. When I've got buddies like Paul C out in the UK and it's freezing cold. I'm at least in shorts. Let's see. Still don't have it. Time to resort to the pinpointer. Well, that always doesn't work for me either. Huh. Sometimes I wonder if my scoop is causing me issues. Okay, now this signal that started out as a what was it, at 8 to 12, now it's a 13, 14. I don't understand why it has to change so many times. That's confusing to me. Although I have noticed that signals that change erratically are generally pieces of trash that are crumpled up. You know, like a bottle cap that's folded in half, or whatever. Okay, so, oh, well, let's see. I see a chain or something. Oh no, whatever it is, I wrecked it. It's, oh, and then I just broke the tip of it. Well, this could be, I doubt it's real, but it looks like a gold earring. I just broke the post off of it picking it up, or I probably broke it off digging it. But this is the part that goes in your ear, and it should have been, you know, folded down in an arc. And then this is, I don't think that's real. But I'll look for signs of genuine particles and let you know in the wrap-up. Let's see if I got it all. Sounds like it. Okay, get this hole covered up and I'll turn it back on when I get something good. That was pretty good. I love getting jewelry. I don't care if it's bling jewelry or if it's the real deal. I mean, it's fun getting the real deal, although it's not like I sell it. So, you know, I just have this collection growing of sterling silver and white gold, and I only have one yellow gold 18 karat, only one, but I've only had my metal detector for 1 month, so I have got lots of great things to come, I can tell, because I'm out every day doing it, and I love this. It's so much fun, just the thrill of the hunt. Here's a 1213, which should be 100 endpoint, but it's not a super strong signal. But this is real soft sand, and it could be very pretty deep. I guess is my guess. See, it was two arrows. Now it's 2 triangles. Now it's 3 triangles. Now it's still 3 triangles. Okay. I I think that I'm trying to metal detect New York, or New York City, or New York, I don't know. I guess I should learn it. I know his name is Merrill and he's fun to watch. But he has a goal that he will get $1,000 in coins every year and then invest it, I guess, at the end of the year. And then he wants to get 100 rings. So I thought, okay, well, I'll try that since it's my first year with a metal detector. And so far for this month, so that means I have to get $84. It's $83.33, but $84 every month in order to meet the goal of $1,000 at the end of the year. And I need $19.34. And today, just being out right now, I've gotten one 100 yen coin and two 50 yen coins. So now I'm down to $17.34. So that's exciting, and I still have 3 days. And then I counted my rings before I left the house today, and I have 20 rings already. So I only have to get 80 more rings by the end of the year. And I go out every single day, except yesterday because it was raining, and a couple of days after we got home we went to Thailand for Christmas, and a couple of days after I got home, I came home sick, and then I opened my metal detector on the 26th, and I started metal detecting, on the 26th, and I just went every day, and then it was kind of a rainy day, and I just wasn't letting myself get better. And so I decided I better just stay in bed for a day. So I think I ended up taking like 2 or 3 sick days and 1 rain day yesterday. And other than that, since the 26th of December, I've been out every single day, all day long, metal detecting. Okay, I am done. The sun's about to go down. That's the city of Naha out there. You cannot see it very well because the sun's going down, but I'm not taking this trash home because it's a lot of big metal-y stuff and it's hard to get rid of that kind of stuff here. So this is what I found today. These bottle caps. It looks like the top or bottom of a paint can. Couple of bottle caps, pull tab, some random piece of metal, and another bottle cap. Oh, and this pull tab right there. And I will do the treasure part at home because it's cold. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm ready to do the wrap up of the treasure. Now, the only treasure that I found was at my beach park on the way home from my little beach. Excuse me. And when we went to Araha Beach afterwards. And so I'm going to show you those coins that I got. And then I also wanted to show you the waves outside. Hopefully you can see it with the glare on the window. The waves are just ripping. It's not quite as windy today, but the ocean is still angry, my friend. All right, let's get to the wrap up. Here is the wrap up from yesterday's treasure hunt. I already showed you these guys that I got from the park below my house. 2 100 yen coins and 5 10 yen coins. And then at Araha Beach, I got, here's that gold earring that I found where I broke the post. And even though where I scratched it onto the stone to test it, it's still gold underneath, and I really scratched it hard. It didn't test up as gold, so there you have it. And then here's that kind of pyramid looking earring that I found. And here's that coin. It's called a gacha pan machine. And you can either put 100 yen coins or you can put these little amusement game only coins and get your toy out. They're really popular here. Okay, so I found 3 50 yen coins, 1 100 yen coin, a dime, American US dime, and a US nickel. So I'm so excited. I'm going to Moon Beach today. I had an older Japanese gentleman stop while I was digging yesterday at Araha, and he said, oh, you've got to go to Moon Beach. And I mean, he told me on the way out on his walk and on the way back. So I'm going today. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go get changed up right now and head over. It's still dark out, but that's okay. It'll be light by the time I get there, and see what we can find. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and you know, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I am enjoying making these hunt videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the next hunt. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.